1970 Chevelle LS6 Convertible.
With a story which even adds to the mystique of this car, to the credibility of it, and also to the potential hammer price.
All of the above.
In the care of a single family since brand new. It's documented with the original Protecto plate, build sheet, invoice. The entire story of this car from day one is well known. That's at 450 horse LS6 with 410 gears in the most unique color combination that I think we've seen. The Cranberry Red with the white interior.
It is spectacular. I spent a lot of time with this here the other night as we were shooting a video.
You guys are just fine.
So sorry.
Oh, you see the emotion there.
Family ownership since brand spanking new. We're currently $250,000.
The young lady in the black shirt rode up to the block in the car. And now she's seeing this car being auctioned off. Wow.
All that originality, and I don't know if you noticed, aftermarket valve covers on the 454.
Yeah, it's okay. Popular items back in the day, just bolt-on stuff like that.
I know. Don't get mad at me.
No, I'm just saying that doesn't take away anything.
I'm not saying it does. It's just all that originality on the car.
The day two look.
They changed the valve covers. That's all.
Probably changed it when it was 3 years old or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The bid at $275 right now.
I'm optimistic we're going to sell it. Reserves off, we're selling it.
$300,000. This is one of those cars, guys, that
we appreciate all your help here.
You can't overpay for this car because of what it is, its documentation, and the story that goes with it. And right here we go. $360,000 for an incredible LS6.
You know what? I don't know much about the family, but that kind of money changes lives. And saying goodbye to this car changes their life as well.
Sure does. All of the above. Handshakes and smiles and certainly a few tears as that family says goodbye to a member of their family.